Hold on.
Okay guys, back at it again, YouTubers. This is CNC Electronics, sales and repairs and sales. Whichever way you guys wanna put it, yeah, we do it all. Okay, I'm back at it again with repair. This is a Sound Quad U1.8000. And this come with a little, well, I would say not so weird, but with this you have two. Right, the guy says this looks not straight, but anyway, that's not the case. He says when you connect the speaker wire to these two terminals here, these two little terminal, it's not playing. You have to keep shaking the wire, like bump the amplifier, like, you know, before you get anything from it. So I didn't open it as yet, you know, but I'm gonna do that now just to see what problem we come up with. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. All right, okay. Wow, nice looking amplifier. Wow, I don't know, but I like these boards, but the only problem with these, they scratch off. Hold on, let's see. Oh yes, they did it out. Oh my god, these people. Look at that, looks really good. If only they didn't scratch off the parts and the, you know, like, you know, the C5, you already know what that is. That is the C5 is the, see if I remember, IRS 29557S, I think, the C5s. Yeah, and then they have C2 and then C4. Oh, C4, hey, that's a bomb the last time I checked. But yeah, in this case it's a IC, what, you know, you know, yeah, I don't remember that one exactly what that one was again, and C3 and stuff like that. But on the PIC, okay, right here. All right, I figured that's the same one the Taramp uses, if I'm not wrong. I don't remember. So let's see now. This cap here is the, let me see, 200 volts, 2200 microfarad is used. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. 2 fans and 1 fan here. 3 fans in our inductor. Yeah, they're really sturdy. Yeah, they're firm, really firm, as you would say, like old time bed spring. Yeah, firm. Yeah. And then this resistor here should stay up. And the problem we have up, oh my words, I see what the problem is. Hold on, let me see. Holy crap, wow. Well, that wasn't that so hard. I didn't even remember. Yeah, this is the, oh yeah, power supply output. Guys, look if you can see this, right here, this cap. Look at that. You see that? Yeah, the leg broke off from right here, but the way it was like this, like it just popped, it just blow up. Wow. But this didn't explode or anything. It just, that side, yeah, that does happen sometimes. But yeah, this cap, and let's see, and it's right from the leg, you see. Oh yeah, from here, and that would be the yep, guys, same pins that this was giving trouble. Yeah, this is across from the positive, no, the negative, no, let me see, negative, and it's coming straight from this 10 ohm resistor. Nope, it's coming from up the side. Yep. Wow. Alright, so guys, so this is a problem right here. It's a capacitor, and it, see the number on this cap is the, let's see what number it is, and it says 474J, 400 volts. Alright, so I'm gonna have to replace that cap right there, and I would have to normally, let me see, take this amplifier apart. I wouldn't bother take it apart for now. What I'm going to do, or what I'm going to do, is I'm gonna see if I'm gonna replace it from the top, just to see. I don't remember if I have any of these in stock, but let's see right here. I'm gonna cut the side out this one. Okay guys, and this was the side that, yeah, this was the side that blew off somehow, and this is the value on it. I don't know if you guys can see clearly. Let's see. Wow, let me get this straight somehow, somewhere. Right. Yeah. Thanks, guys. That's it. Let's see if that solved the problem. Let me, yep. Clean this thing up real neat, real nice. Plug this side around and see. Alright, so let me go search and see if I can find any cap for this. While I'm going, I'm not gonna even stop the video. I'm gonna just put this so you guys can get a nice little view of this amplifier board, circuit board. So I happen to find replacement for it. This one, the tolerance is the K, this one is a J. Yeah, so it does work though. Not much difference, just the tolerance. Just like the resistor where you have gold and silver. Wow, I said this one was like not that hard to figure out, but let's see here. Put some tuning these levers, they call it tuning, by putting some solder on them. That make it easier to solder when I put it to this. Alright. Make sure it is well secure. Okay guys, it's a little sit really taller than the other one, so that's our issue anyway. Once it's not sitting way up here, it's just a little bit taller. About this, I'm going to keep saying I'm gonna this guy, sorry. Making sure this thing is soldered really good, guys. Yep, so that looks good. So I'm gonna get some glue and put it across this so it doesn't bite. And I think this, he said, was on the speaker box. I think, yeah, that's why this happened to it. Yeah, it was screwed to the vibrational, yeah, damage. Yeah, he said something about screw. Yeah, it was screwed to a box. So, if I'm not wrong, I think he says that. So guys, alright, let's see. So I'm not gonna make this video too long, guys, because I'm using a phone and it's hard to transfer the videos. Like, I have to transfer it to another phone before I can post the video. So I normally keep it like 20 minutes or 15 minutes, so you know, it's easier that way. So for it to transfer, don't know why, but yeah. So what I'm gonna do, what I'm going to do is to check around, see what else is what, and then I'll get back to you guys with a little test of it, a bench test, and see if everything is okay. Okay guys, so thank you guys for watching. CNC electronics. Please stay tuned for part 2 of this video, where I give it a bench test and pour it up, and so you guys can see if everything is okay. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like what you see, and I really appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you very much.
Hold on.